Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Shopify which is Wix, which is big e-commerce which one convert best for affiliate. If you are serious about affiliate marketing in 2025 and wondering which e-commerce platform Shopify, Wix or big commerce will give you the highest conversation and best communication, you are in the right place because in this video I am going to break down in the key difference from an affiliate perspective and reveal which one consistently convert better, earn more, build a long-term income with less effort. Let's start with Shopify, the most recognized e-commerce platform globally and the one whether are globally the strongest brand trust. Shopify affiliate program offer up to $150 per paid sign up and has one of the highest conversion rate in the space thanks to its polished onboarding trial to paid funnel and massive demand from aspiring store owner, especially in the US. The user experience is streamlined, and if your content target people searching how to start a drop shipping or store or building an online Bitcoin, Shopify convert like crazy because it's seen as the gold standard. Wix, on the other hand, is more of a website builder than a full-fledged e-commerce solution, and while it does offer affiliate payout up to $100 per sale, it tends to attract user looking for simple blog portfolio or service site rather than serious online store. So the LTV and conversation rate are generally lower. Wix sign up processing is easy, but the platform e-commerce tools are not as robust, which often result in lower affiliate retention and higher refund or churn rate than their big commerce, which offer recurring communication to 100% of the customer first month payment or 1,500 per enterprise referral. But in practice it's harder to convert because the platform appeal to move advanced user or larger business, meaning your audience need to be very specific and technical and lined, and plus big commerce is less beginner friendly and does not have to the some volume of how to search demand as Shopify. So when it comes to affiliate conversation, Shopify wins hand down, not just because of it higher payout and strong branding, but because the audience in it attract is motivated, action oriented, and more likely to pay for a plan after trying it out. If you are creating YouTube video, blog, tutorial or social media content on e-commerce, drop shipping or passive income, Shopify affiliate link embedded in value content like how to build a store or Shopify with Amazon FBA consistently outperform the rest. Want to see the exact funnel I use to promote Shopify and generate recurring communication, drop a commerce value, and I share my affiliate toolkit for free, and this help you choose the right platform to promote. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more affiliate marketing insight that actually make money in 2025. Thank you for watching.